Happy Monday, everyone. My name is Alan. I'm a technician for Honda and Acura at an independent shop. Today's my first time coming back to YouTube. I've been gone for a while. If people that have subscribed to me, sorry about that. But today's the day I'm going to try to do this vlog thing. I'm going to document anything interesting and exciting that happens during my day and have you join the ride, you know? I have a 2019 Honda Pilot that I replaced all the AC components on this car because the AC compressor grenaded, and right now I'm using this guy here. If you guys know in the automotive industry, this is a new machine for the new Freon, the 1234YF, and right now I just plug it up and waiting for it to let me know if it's ready. It's been 10 minutes. They're still doing some calibration, and if you know, you know. This is the one machine that everybody hates because it just takes forever to get ready to use for the Pilot. So when that's ready, I'm gonna hook it up and then show you how painful this machine is. AC machine's finally done calibrating. Now I can actually use it. Now it's been like 15 minutes already. Got the connector hooked up on the high and low side. Now I do the auto. We're gonna save. It's not electric compressor, so we're gonna do 15 minutes of vacuum, no leak tests, not on time for that. And we're charging this car for 725 kilograms, and we enter. Now we wait for 15 minutes. The reason why I didn't check the leak test option, because it still does a leak check regardless. I'm still waiting. Still waiting. Time is now 11:17. I started recharging the Freon I got around 10 o'clock. So it is done. And as you can see, we're blowing cold. We're in the blue. Yep. Next car I got is a 2004 Honda S2000. I am removing the clutch pedal because the top button, we call it, for the clutch pedal switch deteriorated. So to get to that, I have to remove the clutch pedal, then replace it. So let me get into it, take it out, and I'll show you what I mean. The clutch pedal has two switches, one for the cruise control and one's for the actual start system. So let me get at it. Got the clutch pedal removed from the S2000, as you see. So this is how it is. This is the clutch switch to start your car. And don't know if I could tell, but inside there's like a spot where the switch has a push on to start it. So it broke off and the pieces flew off. Oh, and here's are some of the pieces that drives up and brakes. And this is what it's supposed to be. It's like a little plastic button that go against it. So that's the start the car. And right here, this I had to remove it to get to the bolt on the top, is your cruise control switch. So it knows when you push the clutch, it disengages your cruise control. So I'm replacing both buttons because even though there's a button right here, it may dry rot and break. So we're gonna get that taken care of. And I'm gonna squeeze this back in to the S2000. I tell you this right now, it wasn't really fun. Pretty stocky, so it was really hard to get in and out. So that's what it is. Clutch pedals put back in on this S2000. Now I just need to make sure everything's working good. Brake. Clutch in, key on, and we're good to go. Customer is ready to continue on moving on. Next car I got, 2014 Honda Accord. I'm replacing the starter. Disconnect the negative battery. cut this off, and we are using Denso. Part number 280 6023. There we go. Pretty close. Starter's done, but still gotta check the tire pressure and everything, make sure everything's good, or setting the customer on a merry way. Now, we need to see everything starts. Everything's good to go. We're good. Now the starter is done. Now let's pull it out. Grab the next ticket. Next car I got, 2012 Honda CR-V. I am doing a front brakes and resurface, replacing the rear struts and replacing the front sway bar links, and also rotation. So the parts you're using: sway bar links, rear struts, and brake pads for front. Enjoy! brake pads we have. That's why we recommend you. This is before turning the rotors and the finished product. Driver's side done. Looking good. $137 Newton meters. All torque down. Next on the list, swivel links. Got both rear struts out. So now I need to change over the struts and transfer over all the springs over to the new one. Got the new struts installed. Here's the old one. You can see that one's leaking. Oh, you see that? It is blown with this one. And it goes up a little bit, but this one's definitely leaking and busted. Everything is done. The last thing I do is torque the wheel to 108 Newton meters. You see that? And then test drive and we're good to go. That's it. Let me know if these type of videos are entertaining or you gave any comments and feedback. We appreciate it. But let's see how it turned out when I edit this thing. But goodbye. It's the end of my shift.